it's Kim here, and we are going to break down the lunge. It's lunchtime, not lunchtime. Lunge time. Did you get that? Okay. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to go through three common mistakes that I often see in class and how we can fix them right here so that you can have a successful lunge. And there are a lot of birds chirping. I don't know if you guys hear. There's a lot of singing going on all around me. Anyway, keep it on track, Kim, because we're going to talk about knee tracking, so we're right on track with lunge. So, three common mistakes I see, how we can fix those mistakes, because whether you're doing bar, Pilates, or any kind of weight training, you are going to encounter a lunge. So, let's get it right. Start by stepping your feet right underneath your hips, roll your shoulders back, connect your abs in, and drop your tailbone down. Now, all those things sound okay, elementary and ready to do, but they're actually a little bit challenging. We want to contract and pull in our abs without feeling energy pull us forward, and we want to drop our tailbone without tucking our pelvis and shortening our hips. So, a lot of elements, key elements in there. Start with the top of the head shining up. Let's raise the right heel and start to draw our leg back. Okay, now, first thing I often see in class is that the leg moves so far back and we try to get low that it pulls on our hip, giving us this awkward stretch, and it pulls our booty back. Nope, we want to pull the booty right under and get the foot right in so that your knee lines up with your hip and your hips can be square. So that's something we want to achieve. And remember, if you're in class, I often also see people hit the position and think, that's it, I have to stay there. Not true at all. It's okay to take a second, even if the instructor is still going, to find the proper position and then catch it. So it's okay to do that. So, okay, number two, something I often see is the pelvis. Pelvis tends to shift back. We lose our abdominal connection, we disengage with our glutes, and we push the pelvis back. Try not to do that here. Try to hug and wrap in. Try to square forward. If you're a little tight in your hips, tendency is for your hips to open up, and that's okay, but we want to think, I'm going to come a little higher, I'm going to stay a little more square, and I'm going to go to where my flexibility allows me to go. We don't want to fight with our bodies. We want to work together with what we have to make it better and make it stronger the right way. That's the way to do it. Now, the next thing is the front knee. Oftentimes, I see the front knee move inward or roll in. Definitely, definitely not a place you want to be pulsing and repping out and staying for long. You want to take that toe, turn it completely parallel here. Think my front knee stays over my heel and my knee tracks over my second and third toe. So that is where we want that front knee to be. So the back knee can lower towards the mat, the front heel drills in towards the mat, and the top of your head shines up towards the ceiling. Put a little teacup right on your head and balance it here. No matter what variation you choose to do or you're told to do, instructed to do, you've got it down. All right. Hope you enjoyed my lunge tutorial and see you next time.